everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about unpacking a standard that I'm going to be working on actually in a couple of weeks. So I just started a new school. I'll be teaching grade 9 in the Individuals and Societies department. So I'll be teaching social studies. And I really wanted to focus on this because a skill that we wish to really instill in our students is their critical thinking skills. This would be the 21st century skill that I find that a lot of students are in need of improvement in that area, especially given my experience. So, the standard is examine how scientific and technological change and new forms of energy brought about massive social, economic, and cultural changes. This is under the unit of the Industrial Revolution. So, examine would require someone to think critically and to explore particular aspects. And the ones that are highlighted in yellow are the concepts that we're going to highlight. In order for me to help my students develop strong critical thinking skills, I'll be teaching them an OPVL strategy. Most students have been exposed to this in grade 7 and 8, but I will readapt it because some students might be starting in 9. Though it's rare, it's a possibility. So, OPVL just requires students to analyze the text from 4 different lenses in order to get a more holistic understanding of the source. So basically, it's just the origin, the purpose, the values, and the limitations. So what I would do is I would provide the students with these information and these questions, and I will ask them to answer it. So one activity that I would have in person is I would have something like this, analyzing what are the causes and effects of the Industrial Revolution. And they're going to do this by analyzing pictures of the Industrial Revolution or any kind of like art that's related to the Industrial Revolution, maybe a comparison between what was happening then and what's happening now. And then they're going to break that down. So this is going to be source by source. And online, they're going to do a similar activity, except they're going to do it on Jamboard, where they're going to conduct an OPVL chart analysis of one text with their partners. And basically, in each section of the photo, they will be able to like put in their post-its, and underneath, I put something in there in order to differentiate, which is just some scaffolding materials in order to provide the students with much more contextual support, especially given that it's online. It would be a bit hard to do that as instantly as I can in class. I will evaluate their OPVL using this rubric or a similar rubric, and students will have access to this rubric so that they can see where they stand and how they can improve. The next, for homework, I'll have them fill out an OPVL paragraph, and I will differentiate it for other students by distinguishing which parts of the paragraph are designated for the O, the P, the V, and the L. And I will also give some, maybe some choices or some hints that, they have to put the author's name, the date, the place there. So they have an understanding of how to structure their paragraph. Next, I really want them to think about the specific impacts of the Industrial Revolution, which was what the standard is highlighting. So, social, economic, and cultural. And this is bringing it towards the global theme of sustainability and having students being able to make any text to world connections. And they'll be able to do this through the lens of different countries. So I will have them either do a podcast, a vlog, or a presentation where they explore one of those aspects of the Industrial Revolution from the respective countries chosen to them. So England, French, Germany, Japan, and the United States, which is what the standard wants the students to explore as well. And last but not least, they're going to do a final summative project, which can be done in person and online, where the students who have previously done their research here will be organized based on themes. So there's going to be social, cultural, and economic. And they are going to get together into their groups and they're going to discuss the motivation to industrialize from the point of view of their countries. So in a way, it's going to be a form of debate slash model UN activity in order to get students to be engaged. And this debate is going to be assessed using a debate rubric such as this. And there you have it. Thank you for your time.